Hi, sir. Good morning. Hey, good morning, everyone. I think everyone is here. Just waiting for everyone to join. You can hear me, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So let's ask one by one question. How many of you got a chance to activate Office 365 license, 85 license or E3 license? Anything is fine. And what are the challenges that you have faced? And if you have if you were unable to activate or if you have not activated by now, do let me know. So this is the first question that I would like to start, and then we will continue from there.
Sorry, sorry, we can hear you very low, Nishan. Is it only for me?
Is my voice very low?
Yeah,
That's what you mean?
yeah, yeah.
How about other people?
I can hear you
It's
fine.
audible. It's fine, sir.
I can hear you, sir.
Okay, okay, sorry.
Maybe Venkatesh sir, see if that you can increase the volume at your
Okay.
end. Okay. Now, I'm hoping that you have seen my message in WhatsApp. Can I assume that you guys have seen the WhatsApp message?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And did you guys get something of this sort? Let me log in and show you once, and then we can talk.
Sir, Nishad sir, actually last week I tried whatever steps you performed in the class. Okay, I tried them, but the thing is like I was not able to get the same error last time we saw, right? Um, kind of,
Hmm.
let me tell you the, just
Okay,
give me
okay.
a minute here.
So let's
Yeah,
ask
it
one
is
by
like,
first step
yeah,
by step question. No
yeah,
problem.
it is asking
I'll
like
send.
substrate only agent organization user is not licensed for Exchange email. That is the error I'm getting.
No problem. We'll fix one by one. First
Okay.
thing, do you see screen like this with all the options? That whatever I see, do you see?
Okay.
Step by step. Did you read my WhatsApp message? You have E5 activated license. After your E5 activation, you should see something like this. Look at my screenshot. What did I say? After the license activation, you should see screen like this. You should see options like this. In your case, are you able to see option like this? First question. If you don't see same options, please raise your hand. So that will give me an idea. See,
Yes, sir.
activating is one thing and going back and checking that it is activated or not is one thing.
But one question, sir, like in which group you posted that? Like, I think we are not there
CS08.
in that group. No, we are CS07, sir.
07.
We did not receive that message. We are CS07, though this patch has both CS07 and 08, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Okay, CS08. Okay, let's ask about CS08 people.
Yeah, yes, Nishant. We are able to see the screen. I mean, I'm able to see this screen in my.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, CS07. No, 1 second. I'll send the message that I have forwarded. CS07, right? See if I sent now I sent a message. Is that you guys are receiving on WhatsApp? Just confirm me.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, just go through the screen once, whatever I have given you. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Last week also, living about everything, I showed you how to activate EFI license, right? Did I show you last week how to activate EFI license? Live out my screenshot. In the last week's class, did I teach you how to activate EFI license?
Yes, sir.
That's enough, no, Sweta? That same thing what I sent is.
Okay, but I tried it, but same error I'm getting like last time what
Okay.
we.
Now, first thing is, so what I will do is, don't worry, just log into security.microsoft.com and open it. If you don't see similar screen, raise your hands. I'll go step by step. No worries at all. Raise your hands. First, log into security.microsoft.com with your Active Directory account. That is, you remember last class you have created admin at the rate. I asked everyone to create admin at the rate. Did you create? In the last class itself, you
Yes,
have done
yes.
an activity. Yeah, log in with that admin credentials. Log in with that admin credentials. Okay. Then please raise your hands once. After that.
Sir, I don't see the same options.
Endpoints are missing, I think.
Then I'm getting the same screen.
Okay. Only one person, Sharanya. Can you share your screen?
One second, sir. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah. Did you all allocate licenses? See, if you have no one raised an issue means everyone has every other option that I have sent. That's what my assumption is. Okay, please correct my assumption. Okay.
We can't see all the options that you can see in your screen.
That is what I'm asking, no, sir, from that time. That okay, please raise the issue if you don't see all the options. Now you guys are realizing.
Actually, so already Soumya and December, they have already highlighted. Actually, we almost have same issue.
No, no. What was my clear idea? Please raise your hands if you don't see the options.
Okay.
That was the clear instruction, no? So that will give me an idea that where is the concept missing. It's not about you have done it or not. It's about why everyone is not in sync. That is what I want to know. Correct, no? Yeah, please do that. Thank you. Okay, scroll down, dear. I'll get to know where the challenge is. Okay, no worries. So that means endpoint license is not activated. Now, very simple. Go to portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. Yeah. Log in with the same credentials. It will auto login, so should not be a problem. Now click on Active Directory. Go to the licenses section on the left side. You guys has to do this on your own. You have activated licenses for three times now. Go to all products and show me the licenses activation list. Where is the Office 365 E5 license, dear? I asked you, no, that you have to activate E5 license. Without having the license, how will you see? And I taught you how to see it in the last class also. And you guys know how to verify whether the license is activated or not in Azure first course only. Now it's like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th week. 7 weeks before you have done this activation. And you have done multiple times. Because as a part of your lab also you have done, no? As an exam. How to activate a license. And last week we have whole discussion that, okay, boss, this is the way you have to activate the license. I have shown you on my screen on how to activate. So please activate the license here. Just open Office 365 E5 license and activate it. Open new tab. Open a new tab. Search for Office 365 E5 trial. Guys, now you have seen what Sharanya has shown you, right? Re-verify before I come to you so that we expedite the process. Yeah, re-verify whether exactly what like your E5 license is activated, and that E5 license should be allocated to the admin. This is what we have done in the last class. Verify and then let me know. Yeah, click on free trial. See, that's what you guys has to know. No, if it is not working, you have to see why it is not working. License is activated, license is not activated, and all. No, yeah, click on complete.
Nishant, should this be Office 365 E3 or E5?
Anything is fine.
Okay.
Any license you activate, it will work. This E5 is an advanced version of E3. That's it. It would take few minutes for the activation to complete. Okay, it doesn't happen immediately. Yeah, Sharanya, you need to give Indian code, and then searching is difficult here. No, enter the verification code sent to your mobile.
I have not got it, sir.
Okay. Check, verify the mobile number is correct.
That's correct.
Do you guys remember me? I was asking everyone to watch the video multiple times and come back to the class. Did you guys got a chance? Because 2 times you have got, no? The OTP that you have entered may be the first one, first time's OTP.
Received
Try
only
again.
one.
Maybe there's a delay. Click on continue. Click on trial. Yeah. Just click on that edit button. Complete these details. Is that first name correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? First name should look like that, huh?
Yes, sorry. See,
But you need to give a dummy United States address, huh? Because you have selected United States as the active directory when you're selecting. Okay. So because you have, take some dummy address, no? Take Google's address and paste it here. Take
okay.
Mark Zuckerberg address and paste it here.
Sir, I just have a query here.
Yeah.
Admin, in that account that I created, admin user. Well, I created it is in US. Sorry, it is in India.
No, your active directory when you have created this Aditum Lab 500, you have created in US region. And it doesn't matter for us, first of all. Take a dummy address from internet and then copy paste. Just choose one country. Just copy paste. That's it. First select the state. It will make your life easy. Yeah, California. Because you have chosen Google's address, no? California pin is 94043. Mountain View. Alright, go to the city. I don't know city names in US, but yeah, just Amphitheater, Parkway, Mountain View. Just copy that same. Email address is mandatory. Give your personal email address so that it can, you will receive alerts. Last one, dear.
But it's not moving. 1 second, sir. I connect my mouse.
Yeah, fine.
Why? Wait. Connect my mouse.
So you need to give some time for the endpoint to activate. It will not happen immediately. It takes time. So on your left side, you should all see endpoints. Okay. Sharanya, you stopped the screen. Huh? Sharanya?
Sorry, sir. Just a second, sir.
No worries, no worries. Take your time. Just confirming. Okay,
Email.
guys. Just give your Sai Sharanya, whatever gmail.com it is. Doesn't matter. That's an alert. I said no. It's an alert one. Okay. So yeah, let's go with Niranjan. Yeah, Niranjan. Just say, see it's stop sharing. Share the screen again.
Hi Nishant, it's the same issue, but I think I have already used Office 365 license during some long time, so it is not allowing for the second time to claim.
Okay, so you have an idea now that you have reused the license. See, once you activate a trial license, so let me ask you one more question. This is a new Active Directory, right? If it is a new Active Directory, in this new Active Directory, I never taught you Office 365 license. Can I know like when did you activate this license? On this Active Directory, because Active Directory to Active Directory, it will change. Huh? Every time you create a new Active Directory, you can create a new license. But if this is a new Active Directory, you should get a new license, no?
Yeah, but ideally, why I'm not sure. It says like, okay, let me show you.
Or what is the user? Yeah, you just share the screen. Maybe it will give me some idea. What is the email ID you are using?
I'm using, 1 second. Let me switch to that.
You are using, no, you are using default directory, no?
No. That was, I was
Sure, huh?
checking for some. Yeah, I'm sure.
But you are not supposed to do in Reva University. That is not your admin.
Yeah, I am into other
You should
type.
have your own Active Directory, no? Show me the Active
Yeah.
Directory. Yeah, tech consultants. Okay, you have to do using this.
Yeah, I tried with
Okay.
this one and this one.
Okay,
So
okay.
both
Before
are
that, let's go back step by step. Now go
Okay.
back, click on that home button for me. Click on the home button, search for Active Directory here. Yeah, Azure Active Directory. Go to the left side, licenses, and show me the licenses that are activated on this license. See, where is the EFI activated? So
Yeah, that's not right.
on this
Activation it is
now,
getting the
okay, let's ask simple question. You did not create an Active Directory as a part of this course?
I created it.
Okay, you deleted it also?
No, that's the one here.
If you have followed my lab guide, no, it could have been Adatum. It looks like Adatum. So you changed the name from Adatum to something else?
Yeah, the name I changed it.
Okay, good. So that means this you have created as a part of my lecture, correct? Now, as a
Correct.
part of my lecture, I never asked you to activate Office 365 E5 license or E3 license. Only last week I asked you. So if you have activated last week, it could have been there here because it will be there for 90 days. You're getting me?
But Correct, but it is not getting activated, no? So that's the thing. So when I sign up
Now,
here
first
to
thing,
submit,
you have to log in as, okay, show me the list of users. Why don't you simple follow Niranjan? You remember I was asking everyone to use admin at the rate. So where is your admin at the rate account?
yeah, this is the one.
Okay, please log in with that account, dear. Please log in with that account. First of all, he's a global administrator, no?
Yes, is global.
And dear, you cannot open two accounts in the same browser session. First, terminate this browser session, open a very fresh browser session for me in an incognito window, and then do the activity. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Terminate the session. All sessions terminate and try to activate. Just try to log in portal.azure.com for me. Enter. Yeah. Now use another account. Yeah, that lab administrator is what you need to do. No. Wait. That's a lab practice. Okay. Okay, lab practice you are. Okay, fine. Click on Active Directory. Hey dear, did I ask you to close the entire browser? If you have closed the entire browser, session will not open, no?
Okay.
Auto session will not open, no? Just close all the browsers, no? Just keep very simple. Guys, one thing in my class, keep things simple. Don't make it complicated and don't get confused. That is more important. Very simple. One browser to open in Nishan's class and complete it. Okay, open an incognito window, please. Open an incognito window. Correct. Yeah. Now go to portal.azure.com. Paste it. Paste the email ID and yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now go to Office 365 license and activate, please. Office 365 trial. Search for Office 365 trial on your new browser. Office 365 E5 trial or E3 trial. Anything is fine. E5 is an advanced version of E3, so you can just go for E. No. Be very cautious. You are trying Office 365. We need Office 365 E3. You need to search very clearly Office 365 E3 license. Correct. Yeah. E5 I said. Guys, okay, fine. E3 is also fine. E5 is also fine. E5 is an advanced version. So always you choose the advanced version of anything, no?
Okay.
That's correct, no? When there is an advanced version, you just always take advanced version. E3 is also fine. There is nothing wrong. Just telling you. Because the one is activating E5, so let everyone activate E5. But E3 also, it will work exactly the same way. This has more options. Yeah, click on next. Guys, first thing, you need to verify whether your license is activated or not. If not activated, then you have to continue the process of license activation. Click on sign in here. Yeah. And then now you know the process, right? See, first thing is
Yeah,
if the
hopefully
address is
it's
if the address is not given properly. Okay, the offer that you want is unavailable. This might be caused due to one of the following. The offer has expired. The service is not available in your country or region. Okay, did you activate? In which region did you activate your Office 365? Sorry, Active Directory is activated in which region?
it's in US. I think by default it's in US. I did not change the region.
Okay, go to the licenses section once for me. Click on Active Directory, go to the licenses section, click on all products. Okay, click on Enterprise Mobility plus E5. Okay, and I think now I'm not sure why it's not working, because if the license is already activated, it will not work. If the subscription region is wrong, it will not work. Do you want to create a new Active Directory and activate it? It only takes 2 minutes.
Sure.
To create a new directory, switch the directory and then activate the E5 license and this one. But for that, you do what you do, close the browser, open a fresh browser and do all the job.
Okay.
As you are already aware, like you could have done it multiple times. And you are a part of 6 or 8 batch, sorry, 7 or 8 batch.
8 batch.
Where is your examination Active Directory?
Exam in exam.
You have attempted
I
the
did
exam?
it. Yes, I did it in the default directory.
Okay, then when you already have one there, but as a part of the course, I asked you to create a new Active Directory, new directory. How can you do it in default directory? You will not be able to solve the exercise that I have given in a default directory.
Then I believe I have created and I have deleted it.
No.
Somehow.
You could have not, because the deletion procedure is tough. I never taught deletion procedure. Okay, anyway, no worries.
Sure,
Deletion
Nishant.
procedure actually takes a lot of steps, because you have to, whatever the steps that you have followed in the same order, no, you have to refollow it in the reverse order. Like you need to delete user, first of all, deactivate all the licenses, delete the users, and then only get back. Anyway.
Okay.
You guys got
Done.
it, no? Sharanya, is your license activated?
Nishant, how to check in which region we have created this Active Directory?
Once you go to Office 365 Admin Center, it will show you. That Active Directories Admin Center, if you go, it will show you.
Okay.
Okay, Sharanya, let's solve one by one. Is the issue clear?
Sorry, sir.
Is that issue clear for you?
Yes, sir. But I'm not reflecting still.
No. First, did Office 365 license is activated?
Yes, sir.
E5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you assign the license to the user?
No.
Then how will you think it will reflect? You have to assign the license to the user, no?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, the features will not come to him.
Okay, I'm assigning, sir.
Yeah.
It is shown under the user that admin user is having the license Enterprise Mobility and Security E5.
You need to activate this also for the admin.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fix them. Shamir Babu, let's go with you.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. What's status, dear? In your case, what is the error?
I am also getting the same error.
First thing, step by step. Is this the same Active Directory that you are using?
Yes.
Or how is that? Okay. Now I want you to open your portal.azure.com and show me the licenses that is activated. No, not like that. Not like that. You are supposed to log in as admin and you have to show me everything as admin.
It is here.
This is your default. Yeah. Now go to portal.azure.com, which is already opened in your last tab. Yes.
It is here.
Now, where is your license? E5 license. It's not activated yet.
Yes.
Okay. When you're trying to activate, you're getting an error. Now, did you try E3? Can you try E3 license once?
Okay.
Because did you also activate your Office 365 E5 license before due to any reason?
No, I don't remember, sir. I'm from 7 batch, but I don't remember it.
Okay. Did you create this Active Directory newly
Uh,
last week?
Yeah, correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just go to the licenses section once again for me, if you don't mind. That means in your batch, when I taught you cloud security, you know how to create a Azure Active Directory.
Yes.
Because I taught that. Yeah. Now, default directory. No, don't enable anything on default directory. See, don't fiddle with default directory. Always, see, this is the backup option. In the final option, no, you fiddle with active default directory. If you have a chance, always create a new directory. It's easy. It's easy to manage. It is easy to screw up. It is easy to consume licenses. Yeah.
Okay. But sir, last week when we did, it was.
No, I have created everything in a different directory.
Yeah, but our
For some
license,
people,
the students only license was
only activated
located
on
in-
the default directory.
Correct. Yes.
The subscription was in the default directory. That's why
Yeah.
we created it in this directory.
Correct. Yes. So I created admin user again and activated the license.
Yeah. See, now after your check, I have went back. I have recreated all the scenarios that you created.
Okay.
I still found that without even default directory also you can still activate.
Okay.
Because there are other participants in the class who has activated it. Not mandatory that you will be in a default directory. I re-verified it again.
Okay.
So very simple, Shamir. This is your directory, no switch directory. Okay, you see my final exam. Work on that. Work on this directory.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you have users, no list of users are shown. Show me the list of users.
Yes.
No. You can click like that only, dear. Click on that. You can click on that license. Yeah. Is this a licensed user? Let's see. Yeah, licensed user, no? Yeah, now log in as that guy and then activate it. Log in as this guy and activate it. So open an incognito window, close everything. Yeah, excellent. Open a fresh incognito window and then go to portal.azure.com. First, because first portal.azure.com will give you knowledge on what is the current status. Okay. Yeah. You will get a current knowledge on what is the current status. Yeah. No. E3 or E5. Try for E5. If it doesn't work, go for E3 as a backup. Try for E5.
Okay.
Just want to have consistency. Click on free trial. Stay in United States. Yeah, click on free trial. Now you logged in as admin at the rate my final exam, blah, 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 right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, excellent. Go to the last one. Click next. Click sign in. Yeah. Niranjan, you got how to solve it? Sharanya, you know how to solve it in case if you get any issue. Yeah, see, that's it. Your trial license will be activated. Should not be a problem.
Okay.
Okay, while you do that, Shamer, let me talk to other people also, but continue sharing your screen. Zalman, what is the status? Like, what is your current status? Did you log into your portal.azure.com? Did you check license is activated or not?
Yeah, I just applied for the free license thing.
Uh-huh.
Do we get a mail after that? Like
No, you don't get any emails, but see, you will get a notification that you have activated it, but you will not get anything just like, okay, it's activated, something like that.
Okay, because it's
You
still
will, with the
doesn't.
subscription, you will get an email. Now, okay, one thing you have to worry with this guy is you have to log out and log in, and then you have to verify. You're from CS07?
Yeah, 07, yeah.
Okay. Did you get a chance to go through my last class video?
The last class video.
Yeah. In the last class, we have done this activity.
Correct. Yeah, but I was there. Like for me also the same thing. The endpoint doesn't come.
But last time you have already activated E5 license at that time.
E5
At that
is
time.
already. Oh no, only the enterprise mobility and the security one is already activated. The Office 365 is not yet activated.
But I asked you to activate last week. No, you guys got a chance to activate it. Now, see, guys, wait. You guys are like, no, so fast. Just understand, no? And I asked you to wait. See, if the license address is not correct, it will not activate. The license address is not correct. Click on back button. Go to back button. See that address, no, sold to address. If the address is not correct, your license doesn't get activated. Click on edit.
Okay.
Complete the address. Then then only everything gets activated. See, complete this form. Complete this entire thing. And then only your address will get activated.
Okay. We have to
If you don't complete this, guys, go to billing address, okay? All. Go to billing accounts in admin.microsoft.com. Go to admin.microsoft.com and go to billing accounts. In the billing accounts, if you don't see a valid address, when I say valid address, just any address is important as long as Microsoft accepts it. Yeah. If you don't have a valid address, your Office 365 will not be activated. Okay. That's why it is showing you to actually throw it. It's actually show. It has to show you that please change the address. But yeah, you know, right? Products are like that.
So, what address we have to provide?
Google Mark Zuckerberg address you provide. No problem. Take some office address, a Capgemini address, Google address, Mark Zuckerberg address. It doesn't matter though, because that guy don't know, right? Whether you stay there or not. Just a verification. Sharanya, did you activate your Google address? Did you save it?
Yes, sir, it has got activated for me. I've shared the screenshot.
Now you are able
also.
to see. Now you are able to see.
Reflected,
Such a
sir,
simple
yes.
thing. Yeah. See you why you guys are making it delay, and you are able to see all the options. You're able to see the endpoint, no, Sharanya?
And that I'm checking, sir.
Okay.
Took time to load.
Yeah, it will take time. That's why I was saying it will take time. So that's why I'm ensuring that first half is activated, so that second half I can tell you something else. See, very simple. You guys are all security engineers, no? You should know how to do some basic reconnaissance. Hmm?
I reflecting, but I don't see all the options in.
Just give some time, maybe half of the day, then we'll see. But Shamir, check your first name. The first name doesn't look like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with one more. Zalman, now you know what is happening, right? You
Yeah,
can
the
you can
address
fix that things,
is
no?
yeah, the address is already activated.
Ah, excellent. Now,
Yes.
now what you do, very simple. Just close the browser, open the freshly browser into the admin with Active Directory
Okay.
details, like admin at the rate whatever is the principal name.
Okay.
Refresh one, and then you see, and then tell me. Okay.
Correct.
Let's go with Venkateshwara. Sir, what is the status?
Get to this admin page.
Sir, I'm losing your voice. Repeat that.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, yeah,
Uh, I will share my screen.
yeah. That's better.
This is my Active Directory.
Licenses, all products. No, no. You have to activate Office 365 E5 license, sir. Office 365 E5 license. This is not this one. Just go for office. What is the problem? It is showing not from here, sir. You have been seeing their screens, no? Whatever the other people are doing till now. By now you could have realized how to activate.
This one, you mean, right?
Yeah.
I have tried this one.
If you have logged into multiple accounts, it will not activate anyway. Yeah. Click on next. Click on next. One second, sir. 1 second. Step by step. Let's go. Click on sign in. Yeah. Enter your, sir. Enter your code. See, today I'm not going to teach anything new. Okay. I want everyone to do the previous lab that we have done. If you are able to do one lab, you will get comfort on how to manage endpoints. So still, I will repeat the same class that I have taught last week. I was an assumption that you guys watch, you guys will see what is how to activate and come back. But anyway, that's absolutely fine. We will work on it now.
Waiting on this code.
Sorry. You're not getting the code.
I'm still waiting on this code.
Hmm? 1 second. Just check it meanwhile.
Click on the try again option again. Okay.
Hi Nishant, I created new tenant and did the setup for a free trial and gave the address everything. But even now in the license, it's not showing it. It is only showing about enterprise mobility.
Did you reload the page and check?
Yeah.
It has shown you that it has activated, huh? It should show actually. Because for almost everyone, they're able to see, immediately. Try to reload the page, log out and log in and check once. Try to do a couple of activities. Venkateshwara, there is a try again button also, sir. You can click on that button. Is that number correct?
You have call me also option there, sir.
Yeah.
Instead of text, you can do a call. Go to try again. Go to try again, and you have an option. Call me over there, right? Select that option, and yeah.
But listen to the OTP correctly. Okay, see, we need additional information to verify your identity. That's why. Just go with the text method. Sir, you want to restart your phone? Just restart your phone, then maybe the messages will start coming. Okay.
Nishant, I was able to subscribe the license everything, but still I just have one error which says that the organization IND Prod 01 exchange hosted organization is not licensed for exchange email functionality.
That's okay. But you're able to see the endpoint configuration.
I'm not able to apply any standard license. It's not moving forward.
Okay, let's do one by one. Let me help Venkateshwar Raju once, and then we will go for you. And I cannot see you're talking. Who is that?
It's Muthu Krishna.
Muthu Krishna. Okay, because yeah, now I see. Okay, good. Can you raise your hand, sir? Can you raise your hands if you don't mind? So I know like how many people that still activation is not done. Sir, you fix that, Venkateshwar Raju. You fix that issue.
No, sir. No, when I try to click even on the text now, it's asking me to
Sir, you
contact
only have
someone.
one phone, huh? You don't have another phone, another number. Give some other number, no, where you can receive OTPs. Okay. If you guys were able to solve the issue, and if you are able to see the endpoint, you can lower your hands. Okay, let's go to Muthu Krishna. Sorry, first let's go to Marimuthu. First, Marimuthu, can you share your screen?
Sure. I think I have done, just I want to verify. Nishant, you able to see screen?
The Office 365 E5 license, no, sir. Since that time I was telling, you're still not doing it. Where is the E5 license? Office 365 E5 license. That is enterprise mobility and security, no? Office 365 E5. And always use Google Chrome, sir. Something easy, because on Edge, reloading of sessions will take so much time, and the sessions doesn't activate. Anyway, now you have done it. Now you need to go to portal.azure.com.
Okay. I already logged in. Can I close and overdo once?
Correct, sir. That is how you have to do. Just to get a clarity on what is the current status. And can you open a Chrome in incognito window? Can you open for me, please? Yeah, excellent. Now just go to portal.azure.com and log in with your admin credentials. Admin at the user principal name. Excellent. Yeah, now Office 365 E5 license is activated, Sri Krishna. That's good enough. Yeah, now click on Active Directory and show me the licenses that are activated, sir. Guys, I'm wondering, how did you guys write your exams? Because as a part of the examination also have given, as a part of examination, everyone have activated their licenses. But now you guys are unable to do it. So you forgot after the exam, or like exam, because it's an open book, you copy pasted. I want you to learn. The open book is just to ensure that you guys are passing. All products, click on all products. I think I need to revisit all your papers once again. Yeah, go to Office 365 E5 license. Sir, there is a boat, one more boat. The last one.
Okay.
Muthu Krishna, you are seeing, no, what Marimuthu is doing. So you get an idea. Now, see, guys, observe, replicate. Yeah, try now. Try now. Yeah. What happens? That button is not working, huh?
I clicked once, not working. Yes.
Reload the page. Did you lose your internet connectivity? No.
It's coming like this.
Did you all choose United? What was the address that all of you have chosen? United States only, right?
Mine is Australia.
Okay, when you selected your Active Directory, did you select Australia?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I try again one more time?
Yeah, try. Okay, try activate E3 license. If this doesn't work, you guys has to be very fast. If F365 doesn't work, you're all security engineers, no guys? How will you do pen testing if you cannot take quick decisions like this? Immediately you need to take, see, guys, you guys are pen testers. You have learned pen testing. That means immediately switching the context knowledge you should have, immediately switching from one environment to another environment, understanding different environments and taking immediate actions is something is a skill. Live about your technology. That's a primary that's a primary skill that you need to have as an day-to-day activities. Technology comes later, but that eagerness to switch, okay, capability to switch the environments just like that, and then understand in which environment I am in. That is so that skill something that you need to guys have to take it up. Sharanya, if you are able to activate, you can lower
Yes,
your hands
I can
and then
try
end
now.
point. Yeah, try now.
Nishant, it's asking me to enter the registration number.
Enter something here.
No, now also same. One time we click try now, it's waiting.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
now it's okay. Yeah,
okay.
now it's
Now
okay.
click on
Yeah.
continue. Click on continue. I think it's taking time.
I think E5 also might have activated.
Yeah. Now what you do, very simple. Okay. Go to your licenses section. On your left, on your first tab, you see licenses. Activate the E5 license to that menu user. On your first tab, browser tab. Reload this. See, it immediately reflected. You guys did not even, I don't
Actually,
know.
both licenses came E3, E5 because
so
we got
you have to
hanged.
verify, no?
I think both are came. I think some of the people also same error what I have received it. Same was there, so better to reload
See,
and
you
check
have to
my
first see. Always do it, verify, do it, verify, do it, verify. Anyway, now you have activated, no? Click on Office 365 E5. See, immediately it reflected. For some people, immediately not reflecting, that's okay. Now click on Assign. Yeah. Yeah, select admin. Yeah. Select. Review assignment options. Yeah. Anything is
Review.
fine. Anything is fine. Yeah, assign. Now one license is activated. Very simple, Muthu. Just log out, close the browser, freshly open the browser, and you're good to go. Any one license is enough, E5 or E3. If you have activated both by mistake, that's also fine, no problem. Security.microsoft.com or portal.microsoft.com or admin.microsoft.com, anything is fine. Correct. If Office 365 license is activated and in your licenses section, if you have activated your Office 365 and if you have assigned the license, that is good enough for now. Go to the Azure Active Directory. Go to licenses section. Would like to verify once again. All products, left side. Yeah. Good. Now go to security.microsoft.com. on your left side. So you're not getting any endpoints. So you should get an endpoint, but it will take time.
Okay.
That's there. Okay. Any other questions from other folks? Now tell me, like, if they're not on the same situation. If everyone is not on the same page, let me know. First thing, is your Office 365 license activated? Okay, every one of you can lower your hands. I'll
Yes,
go
sir.
step by step. If raise your hands only if you are able, if you are unable to activate Office 365 license. Raise your hands just for that. I'll go step by step. Once again, lower your hands. Thank you. You can stop sharing also, Marimutu. Okay, let's address one by one. Venkateshwara, can you share your screen, sir? And you're from CS08, no?
Yes, sir.
I have sent you message, no, sir, to activate. Do you got a chance? Okay, no worries. Now, first thing, sir, you have to keep your environment clean. I see so many tabs. I also getting confused which tab to open. Can I request you to just close the entire browser once and reopen it for me freshly? Yeah. Open an incognito window and just log into portal.azure.com, sir. Very simple. Yeah. Whatever the account it is, I'm not sure what account it is, but yeah. So now let's go to the second step. Now you need to click on open button, go to Office 365 trial. That to E5 license. Office 365 E5 trial. Scroll down. Yeah. Scroll down to the bottom. You should see activate trial. Try for free. The E3 or E5. Last one, try for free. Click on admin. Next. Sign in. So did you restart your phone? Hmm?
Number also. Okay. What?
Okay. Now, in which region did you create your Active Directory? Venkateshwar Raju, for the question is for you, sir. In which region did you create your Active Directory?
Australia.
Sorry? Sir, I'm losing your voice.
Australia East, sir. Australia East.
Australia East.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you go to admin.microsoft.com? Admin.microsoft.com. On your left side, you see the billing section. Just go to bills and payments. Second. Billing accounts. Click on billing accounts. Click on that West India. Yeah. See here, what is the address you have chosen? US, no?
Yeah.
You said Australia, right?
Okay. Yeah, I have to.
No, you cannot change the country. Here you cannot change the country name.
Okay. Then I'll try to redo everything from your season.
No, but you will lose, no, sir. That is what I am telling. Last week also I asked you to guys to do. Now you will lose everything. Now I have to wait for your track to complete. No, ultimately what happens is when I go to the next lab, then you will be left alone. Okay. So please, when I send a message on the group, no, please take it as serious and then complete that activity. You are from 8th batch, no, sir. Okay, 7th batch, I understand. I did not send a message, but you are from 8th batch, right? You're in the group, right? You could have verified it. No, I could have said I sent you something, and I also asked if you have any doubts, you just ping me. You guys have to, guys. One thing, yeah. If I'm sending a message in the group, you have to take it seriously. You cannot ignore it. Anyway, see, things is very silly mistakes you guys are doing. License activation, don't know how to activate license. See, I cannot expect that from you guys because you have already seen my video and I have seen a couple of people doing it. Activation, trial license activation only, nothing major, not a full exercise. We are just doing a trial activation. That's it. Okay, so you guys have to be a little cautious and you guys have to improve. That's my feedback for everyone. If the feedback is little harsh, sorry for that. But you guys, the only reason is that we want you to learn, no? So that means minimum requirement is you go back and re-verify what you are doing. If not, you have my mobile number. Call, ping me. Yeah. Okay, Venkateshwara, you have to fix this, huh? Activate E3 license. Try E3 license. Will it work or not? I want to just check E3 also. And you should be fast, huh? You have to increase your system skills first of all. I think from the last class also, I'm going to tell you the same feedback. You need to be a little fast. And you need to improve your system skills. System skills means where to look at, how to look at, click on a button immediately. Yeah, something of that sort. English, that's a feedback. Yeah, click on sign in. Okay. While you fix that, Venkateshwara, offline, I will have to address other people also. I'll get back to you once that is done.
Sir,
Yeah, so that you activate the license. Yeah.
sir, can
So
I share my screen? Sorry,
yeah,
I
yeah.
arrived.
No worries. No worries. Shweta, please share your screen.
Okay.
And Joel, your hand is also raised. I'll also get back to you once the Shweta's work is done. Let's
Okay, so
share.
I'm not able to share my screen, sir. I think only meeting organizers and presenters can share. I think I have to log in.
No,
Okay, sir,
not
you
like
can,
that.
meanwhile, you,
Okay, you want to rejoin
yeah,
and
yeah,
see?
yeah, yes, I can.
No, I think
Okay.
you can present. Check now once.
Yeah, I can present now. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see yours. And first thing,
Okay.
madam,
Huh.
first tip for you. Don't always log in with browser based. Rather, always log in with
Yeah,
a
yes,
app.
sir.
When you log in with
Today,
an app, it makes your life easy.
right, sir. Every time I does that, but today what happened? There was some issue with that, so that is why
Okay.
I had to log in with.
No worries. Now,
Yeah.
okay, the address is okay. Now, very simple. Just go and show me your licenses activation section in portal, Azure portal.
Portal. Okay.
Reload the page here. What was the challenge you faced when activating E5 license or
I'm
E3
not
license?
able to see that here in the license section. I'm not able to see that in the users
Yeah,
section
first,
also.
did
I
you
see
activate?
only
Did you activate license?
here in the portal. I'm not able
Yeah,
to see that, sir.
no,
Office
madam.
365.
Okay. Since it's been 1 hour, I started the class, no?
Yes, but I was
Did you do
busy
what
with
other?
doing things.
Why are you busy with doing things? First, observe one person, no? Observe what one person is doing. Don't do that. Again, it's already activated for you, madam.
Yes, it is
Madam,
active.
first thing, madam, it's been 1 hour. Since 1 hour, you're only doing that 4 steps. You have to observe, know what other person are doing, what other people are doing, what he is teaching, what is the method. Okay, leave about this one. What happens to my previous class? In my previous class also, I taught the same thing. Yeah.
Yes, correct,
Click
sir.
on second tab. First, close all the other tabs, no, madam. Just to
Right.
avoid confusion. Make your
Sure, sir.
environment clean. Yeah. Basic
Yep.
hygiene skills. Yeah. See, if you
Okay.
have to become smart, you have to keep your environment clean. Know which tab, what option is coming, and remember that for a long time. Yeah. Click on Office 365 E5 tab.
Okay.
Second tab, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on free trial.
This is done, sir. This is done
No,
already.
no, I don't see. The license is not, I cannot see the license. No, if you say it is done, the license I cannot see, no? Or what you do, log out the browser and open a browser freshly and show me whether it is activated or not. Close this browser, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Close it fully. Yeah. Open a
I'll
fresh
open in.
incognito tab. Yeah. And is there any other incognito tabs opened? Verify.
Yes, opened.
If madam, if there is an incognito tab opened, the session will be maintained, no? What is the point in opening the session? Incognito matlab kya hota hai? Like, see, incognito means you should only have one incognito tab. Guys, you need to know what is the difference between two incognito tabs. When you have one incognito tab opened and you open another incognito tab, the sessions get shared. The sessions will get shared. So there is no point in opening two incognito tabs. You should only have one incognito browser opened and open multiple tabs. If you have 4-5 incognitos, they behave same. They are same. If one session is activated in one tab of one browser and you have another section, you have another process running, it will work. Okay, madam. Click on Active Directory. Perfect. Show me the licenses, left side.
It is loading, sir.
See, first skill. First see what other people are doing and then impersonate what other person is doing. We all teach that only. No, if you teach someone pen testing, you will teach, no, first observe and then you have to follow the same. Now open a new tab. Go for Office 365 E5 trial. Office 365 E5 trial. Please raise your hand, Niranjan. If you want if you want my attention, please raise your hand, because I have so many things to complete. Yeah. If you raise your hands, then only I can give you attention. Anyone who need my attention, you need to raise your hands. I think that is one thing I want to keep in the class. Yeah, click on sign in, ma'am. Yeah, click on try now. Guys, if your address is not filled, if your address is not activated, you will not be able to activate the license. Okay, wait for a minute, madam. It will work. For sure, it will work.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
See, it has activated. The license is activated, but it is taking time to reflect on the screen. Yeah, now it is activated. Click on continue, madam. So now your Office 365 license is activated. Very simple, no?
Yes. Yes.
You
sir,
did the
very
same process, right? Then for the 1 hour,
Yes.
last 1 hour, you're doing the same process. Why? Because you're not
No, sir,
following
I
things. You're
observed.
not. No, you're telling me you have observed, but you don't know where to activate your Office 365 license. Huh? Okay, now very simple. Close that. Close that. I'll tell you. Close this admin center. Yeah.
This one?
Close the another. Yeah. Close that tab. Close the Office 365 E5 tab also. Not required. Now go to reload the page, madam. In this licenses section, reload the page. Okay. Now click on Office 365. Allocate the license to the administrator. Click on add users and groups. Allocate the administrator license. Yeah. If you remove the stop sharing, hide it. Hide it, madam, so that it will not come out. Yeah. Review and assign. Yeah. Correct. Assign. Now what you do, madam? It's very simple. Log out, close the browser, freshly open a new browser and log in. I know I'm a little orthodox kind of a person who actually asks you to log out every time, but it works every time for me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, close it. Fresh tab, open it. Fresh incognito. You are a native Linux user, huh?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you configure your system by yourself, everything.
Yes, sir.
Installation, configuration of operating
Yes, sir.
system. Okay, good.
It is there, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, that's it. Now the license is activated. Reload the page, madam, because I don't see. Yeah, enabled services.
It is
No?
there, sir.
Okay,
It is there.
yeah, it is there. No. Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's it. Now go to security.microsoft.com.
The another tab or here only?
Yeah,
That is
another
fine,
tab.
right?
Security.microsoft.com. Okay, on your left side. Yeah. Okay, keep it like that.
Yeah.
Keep your account like that. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's address other people. You can turn off.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, you
Yeah.
can stop sharing.
Okay.
Joel,
Thank you,
can
sir.
we
Thank you
have
so
it?
much.
No worries. Yeah. Joel, can you
Nishant.
share the screen? Yeah.
So I'm just sharing.
Yeah.
Actually, I've had issues, so I tried doing it, using the E3 license.
Okay.
And but I don't find it here. I was
No
able to
worries.
activate it.
No worries. We will do it step by step. Now, rather than looking at the subscriptions here, because see, it will only show the subscriptions that are activated for this guy. If you go to licenses section here.
On the admin.microsoft?
Correct. No. Go to portal.microsoft.com. Reload the page for me.
So what account do you want me to be on? On my
first,
admin account or
very
the
simple.
main account?
First, very simple. Let's go. And I want to see your Active Directory first. Which Active Directory are you working? No.
On my,
see, if you have
my default.
No, Joe. What is happening is you are logging into your default directory. Apart from default directory, you have your Azure Active Directory. Where is that Active Directory? Very simple, Joe. Close this browser tab. Let's close this tab.
Okay.
I don't want to open multiple tabs. Close the entire browser. This browser, you close it. I don't want. Yeah. Excellent. Now, from starting, just close every tab except the Teams. Except the Teams, close everything.
Yeah, I'll take a new browser.
And see, when you take a new browser, the problem is it comes with the previous session. And do you have a Chrome with you, if you don't mind?
Yeah, I do.
Can you work on Chrome?
Okay.
See, this is not an incognito, right?
No, this is not incognito.
Okay, close everything. So it's easy. Let's make our life easy so that I close the unwanted browsers also. Very simple. So also I also get some idea. Okay, good. Now just open a fresh incognito window for me. Yes, excellent. Yeah, just go to portal.azure.com. Log in with your admin @ your principal name, that is your Active Directory name.
So I have the, I didn't create any Active Directory. I've just done this because.
Okay. Let's ask one by one question. Now, you're from CS7 or 8?
8.
8. Now, as a part of the previous week, we have created Active Directories. Correct?
Yeah.
Did you keep the Active Directory or did you delete the Active Directories?
So actually, Nishant, I was using a different, account. It was using my credit card and it got expired. So today I had to use my Azure free pass.
But so no, in the last class also we were using pass. No, you were not using pass.
I wasn't
last
using
time?
pass. I was using the different one.
Then that means the pass could have expired by now because 30 days could have been expired.
No? It's expired in a month. So today I had to create a new account.
Okay, no worries. Now, is this your this is your Active Directory, no?
Yeah.
Okay, please log in. Because I don't know, right? So I just need to ask you all the questions before, like, for me to get to know, like, what is the scenario in the background. Because this is, see, as I said, you remember, this is the most complicated subject, and the Office 365 guys themselves will get a lot of confusion. That's why no one will get into this area. Click on sign. Yes. Okay. Show me your licenses section, dear.
So I have
See, it's a new now. Yeah. Go to all products. Okay. See, you are working in Azure Active Directory. First of all, you will not have any currency in this account, correct?
Okay.
You will not have, you said it's a fresh account, no?
Yeah.
So you'll not have any licenses in this. Now, for this default account, see, in only Joel case, this is going to happen, okay? Because Joel has not activated any other Active Directory. So there are two ways, Joel, to address this issue. One is you create a fresh Active Directory and then do it. But the only challenge is I'm a little worried. How come Joel Geo 94 Outlook .on Microsoft has come? It should be @Gmail ID, when you create a new account. So that means Joel Geo 94 is an Active Directory.
Yeah, this is my Active Directory, and this is the user I've logged in with, the admin user.
But why is it showing as default? It should show as an Active Directory name if it is an Active Directory user. Okay, anyway, I'll go this way. One by one, I'll go. Now what you do, open a new tab for me, please. Yeah, search for Office 365 E5 trial. Yeah. So first link you will get, second link, anything is fine for me. Anything is fine, doesn't matter for us. Just we need to click on the trial button, try for free. No, these are not the licenses. These are 365. We need E3. The plan comparison, maybe the second link you can go. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on a free trial.
Yeah, I've clicked on it. It's
okay. It takes time. No worries. Just choose any language that you like. See, you're opening two tabs. Doesn't matter. Just open one tab. Yeah, let's wait for this to load.
So this is my admin user.
Correct. Click on the next.
Sign in.
Yeah, sign in. It will throw a pop-up and let the pop-up will close automatically, and then it will continue. And you're not connected to any VPN, no?
No, nothing. So this was the error I was getting. So I tried E3 license and it worked, kind of.
Okay. No, it did not work, because if it worked, it could have shown us in the licenses section.
Yeah, it went to a different page to enter my billing details, and then I don't know.
Okay. No worries. I got you. Now, try E3. Okay.
Yeah. E3, if I try to activate E5, then it's working fine for me, sir. I don't know what.
Okay, fine. Okay, try an E3 license. Let's see if its requirements is met for you or not. Yeah, try now.
Try now, but I have this continue.
Continue also. Yeah.
So it will go to my, admin page and.
No. Just click on try now. That's it.
No, when I click on continue, it just pushes me here. So I go back, is it?
Okay. Wait. When you clicked on try now, is it actually showing you the screen?
No, I can't click on try now because there's another pop-up which says continue. So I have to click on continue first.
Okay. So now when you click on continue, if you see your account has no registration number. See, the problem with India is India has so many restrictions. Click on edit. I think you cannot change the region now. Yeah, just change. No. Just click on edit button in the sold to address.
I've added everything here. So it's asking me for my, PAN address, PAN card.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Go to the top. Okay, fine. Just save this address.
Yeah. Add my
Now
PAN
we are
also.
checking that we can offer Microsoft products and services. Please provide a valid registration number for your account. So one is a registration number. So it's actually asking whether you're a company or not. Just give a PAN card and save. Save it.
Doesn't get saved, I guess. It's taking time.
No.
Okay, I think it's something else.
No.
Then.
So now what happens? Very clear. This account will not work out for us because this account is registered in a different region. That India region is not going to work out because in India region, tax details, blah, blah, blah details will come.
Okay, but this admin is in US region.
That doesn't matter for him. The billing register is more important. That's why remember in all my labs, I only use one account. That to East US is what I will use. Did you observe me in your previous class, wherever it is? I always ensure that only one account is activated, and I always ensure that my account is activated before the class. Which actually most of you have to do it. Most of you have seen you are coming onto the class and activating the things because there's you guys has to understand that when you come to the cloud, there is a buffer time. On this day one, you will not get access to everything. All facilities and full things. Only after the first 24 hours, you will get access to full account. Okay. Anyway, can we do this? Do you have any other? See, very simple. If you go back to your previous credentials also, I can fix this for you. Do you have your previous credentials? Just log in with your, no. When I say previous, first close everything, open freshly for me. Close the browser, better. Open a fresh browser for me, incognito window. Yeah. Just log in with your other credentials. Where your Active Directory was there. This is you said this is a new account, no?
Yeah.
Just go back to your previous account. I will check there.
Sir, what is the issue there? Like user has to be on the same location and like
See,
the
actually
billing
what
address?
happens is in India, validation is important. For Indian region, validation of the account is very, very important. If the account is not validated with the proper registration number, blah, blah, blah details will be there.
Okay.
I don't know because I never create in India region, first of all. I always create in
But
a different region.
the user location, we can change it now also, right? Because
No,
I did
he
the
has
same.
he has a billing registration.
Okay.
User location he can change. Billing registration is important, no? That billing account has to be activated before he do anything.
Just a second.
In case if you would like to stop sharing, just stop sharing. That's better. Why do you want to show the passwords to everyone?
I'm not going to show it.
Okay, guys. Frankly, you tell me how many of you have watched the last class video and came?
Yeah. So
Raise your hands if you have watched the last class video. Raise your hands if you have watched the last class video.
I watched the second half.
Okay. Because if you raise your hands, I'll ask a question from there. Okay, now Very simple. You have a default directory, no, Joel? That's good. Now do very simple activity. Yeah. Click on manage tenants or add a new. That's good. Add a new tenant. Click on create. Click on create button. Click on create button. Give a nice name, whatever it is. Just give it some good name, huh? So you don't remember. Just give a company name. Choose anything like, you know, what is your name? Joel Org. Joel Org. See, always don't get with Citrix. Now you'll create with Citrix, and later you'll get confused with, oh, whether it's a Citrix account or personal account. Yeah, Joel Azure testing org. Yeah, and give a similar name. Give a similar name. See, domain name should always be small letters, so it accepts it. Just give a domain name with all small letters. Yeah, Joel Azure testing org. Or test org, whatever it is. Now good. United States, excellent. Click on review and create. Yeah, anything is fine. Click on create. Yeah. HNY. NNY. Yeah.
Yeah. So I tried to create back then. I got an error telling some reason was missing or something like that.
Let us see. Let us see what is that error now. Let's give a minute. It takes time.
Okay.
We have seen it has shown you an error and still it has created. So don't worry if you get an error. It could have been created in the back.
Okay, this is taking a lot of time.
Give a minute. It will take time. It will take a time. No worries. It will take time.
Nishant, same case in my account also. I'm not able to create it, so I'll have to create it from the beginning first.
But now, Afzal, just a question. Till now, I was asking if you are unable to activate E5 license, ask you to raise the hands. No, why you did not raise the hands since then?
I was using my mobile and doing it here, but it didn't work, so I logged into.
But you could have told me now that there is some issue with me. Okay, now the tenant is created successfully. Click on the close button.
Or I'll go to the tenant.
Yeah, click on go to tenant. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to your left side licenses section. Activate a E5 license, enterprise security license. Click buy now. Yeah, first one. Activate. Now on the same Active Directory, click on Azure users. Yeah, create an admin user and make him as super admin. That is global administrator.
US, right?
Yeah, select it. Yeah, make him as global administrator. Okay, and guys, so we'll take a break for 20 minutes and then I'll come back and then we'll continue. Okay, but let's fix this and then we'll take a break. Scroll down. Global admin, right? You remember the username passwords, right? Ensure you copy the usernames passwords.
Right. Okay, I'll log in with this guy, is it?
Yeah, no, not this guy. Wait. Go and show me the user section once again. This is an admin user, huh?
Yeah.
Where is the admin user? Reload the page.
Yeah.
Or refresh. Yeah, I want that admin user to be shown to me.
You want to go in?
Yeah, now, yes. Now, very simple. So this is your fresh account. Now, Okay. What you need to remember, there are two accounts for you. One is joelgeo94@outlook.com, different username password. Correct?
Yeah.
And then admin@
Yeah.
whatever blah 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 you have created, and it's a different account. Now what you need to do, you need to keep the two credentials separate. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you log out from this account. I don't need this account at this moment because you are logging in as a different administrator now.
Sure.
You are logging in as administrator and doing the job. See, this is how super admin will be created. When a new company gets created, no, when a new company gets created, that is how they will create the first account of administrator. Now you have done that. The real admin, no, that is the first account in the entire Active Directory. Now, no need to sign in with a different directory. First of all, log out, close the incognito window. Log out, close the incognito window, totally close it. No.
Yeah, this is a different Windows.
When I tell you, why don't you understand? Yeah. When I said you that incognito windows, when you open 3 times, it will share the same session. I'm telling you, no.
Okay.
See, if you have closed one incognito window, that means the session is terminated. When one incognito window is open, another incognito window you open, it will share the same session.
Okay.
Dear, it will not work out, dear. Please listen to me. Just close all the incognito windows. When I say close. Sorry to tell you, but there is things, no, there are some things which are basic. I don't want to repeat things which are basic. Yeah, please understand. Now just go to portal.azure.com. Yeah, now correct. Now enter the password here. Yeah, it will ask you to reset the password. You can reset it. Okay, now whatever you do now is the process that everyone has done till now.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to the licenses section and show me that it is activated. That is Active Directory. Go to Azure Active Directory. Yeah, and then yeah, licenses section.
Yeah, this is there.
Good. Now open a new tab. Yes, good. Go Office 365 trial. Enter. Yeah. Go to the second link. Don't open always the first link. First link is always an ad. And go. Yeah. Now click on trial license, free trial. Click on next. Click on sign in. Yeah, just fill that details. In a minute, everything will be done. See, from scratch, you're doing it, no? How much time it is taking? Less than 10 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah.
If you follow steps correctly, in 10 minutes, you will have everything ready. 10 minutes only it will take. See, now Joel has created a fresh Active Directory, activated the E5, and now he's activating this one. Let us see how many issues will come, but I'm sure now issues should not come. As long as you set the correct address, issues should not come.
Your code is 439.
Yeah, this is one common error. Then it goes to the error page, I guess. Let's see.
1 second. Okay, click on try again button.
No, usually it redirects.
Yeah, so click on continue. No, click on continue. It will ask for billing. It will ask for the billing address. Just activate the billing address. See, edit. Now make a US address. You know how to get it. A simple address from internet. See, smart. Let us see whether that guy is smart enough or not. It will not take. So take Google's address and give it. Guys, I'm assuming that you guys are seeing the screen. What other people are doing. Learn from what they are doing, so it's easy. Outlook.com, save it.
Do I need a phone number? No, right? It's
No, not
mandatory.
required. It's not star, no,
Yeah.
not mandatory. Okay, see, now your address is activated. You know what many people are doing? I'll tell you. Many people, when you are here, okay, I'll tell, don't worry. Many people, when you have reached this stage, you are assuming that your process is completed. Correct? Many people, you are assuming that your process is completed the moment you reach the billing section. No, guys, you did not reach the licenses section yet. Just open the licenses, you will see licenses is not activated. Now you go back and activate the license. People are assuming that the moment I enter the billing address, license is activated. No, billing address does not show you. Okay, now you activate the license again, follow the same procedure. Buddy, follow the same procedure, buddy. Go to the next tab, Office 365 Microsoft. It will not activate. I said, it will not activate. Yeah, click on free trial now. Click on free trial. Now the thing is, see, your billing address is not correct. That's why it will not redirect. Ideally, Microsoft has to redirect you back to the trial activation.
Yeah.
It will not do it. Yeah, click sign in. Now, because your address is already entered, it will show you try now. Yeah, now the license will be activated. Click on try now. Just give it a minute. It should show you some or other output. Sign up.
Yeah, I've clicked on it. It's stuck, but let's see the licenses.
Okay, guys, what I'll do, let's pause this activity. You just try it out. I'll take a break. I'll come back and I'll continue. It's been done, no? Yeah. So guys, those who have issue, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. I'll see you at 12:20.
Yep.
After coming back, I'll address your issues and you have 20 minutes more time. Those who want to fix their issues, they can fix it. In case if you are independently, you can fix it. If not, after coming back, I'll fix it.
Yeah, I can help somebody out if you guys.
Absolutely. That will be great. That will be great.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. I'll see you.
Rajal, if you could help me, that'll be good.
Yeah, bro, sure.
I'll just share my screen. I don't know, I'm getting some errors. Yeah. You're able to view my screen, right?
Not yet. Yeah.
I think my portal Azure.
Well, let's start with incognito. Let's follow the tradition, I guess. So, was there an? I mean, you were getting any error?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So, were you getting an error previously when you tried?
No, it was. I didn't try that because I was not using my laptop. I was on phone.
You're starting from the beginning. Fine.
Let's see the endpoints in security of Microsoft Office. I can't see the endpoints of the even after the P3 and the P3.
So we'll check that. Let's just see this, 1 sec.
See, I have to create a resource, the lab which I want, but then I'm getting this window. So yeah, I think
because you don't have a free
the subscription. Yeah.
Yeah. So click on start. So sorry. The Azure Student Pass. Just maybe type that on Google. Yeah, open a new tab and then type Azure student. Yep, the first link and just activate it. Yeah, click start.
This was done a long time back. I don't know how it is not available.
This was done, is it? But on what account was it done?
It was done on the same account. See,
Okay,
on
can
the
you go
same
to the
account.
directories? Yeah, click on the directory and now click on your profile picture.
It is on default directory. So
On switch. Yeah.
just switch directory. So if you look at it.
Okay. So which was the free pass
Okay,
account?
now I think it is loaded here. I think there was a problem somewhere.
Okay.
See, it has come. This is the directory which I had created.
Okay. So this is where you have your free, credits.
Right. So I think it was not loading for some reason. Now it is created. Yeah, from here we can follow. So now
Go to Active Directory and go to the license section to see what's available. Click on all products. Yeah, click on try. And the first one, yeah, free trial and activate. Okay, that's done. Now, okay, now go to your users. And do you have an admin user already?
no, I have to create it. Let's see whether this trial is active. Or
Yeah, that is activated, bro. Don't worry. Just go to your users.
I think I had a couple of users.
All right.
Before.
Who's your global admin?
No, I'll just remove this users or I'll create a new one.
Okay, maybe delete everything and something just to avoid confusion or whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, click on new users.
Yeah.
Sign global admin.
One moment. Let me just make a note of this. Yeah.
No, scroll down.
Oh.
Okay, anyways, you can go edit it. It's okay.
I know it's taking a very long time to just refresh also.
Yeah. Okay, click on edit properties. Yeah. Scroll down.
User type is
No, that's okay. Scroll down. No, that's all good. Scroll down to the usage location or something, I guess. Yeah, there you go. US. I'm in United States.
Where is that usage location here?
United, yep. United, bro. Just type United. Cool. Scroll down. That's it, right? Okay. Click on save. Then I guess you'll have to go to assigned roles to give him a global admin. Yeah. Click on assigned roles. And add global admin to. Yeah. Add assignments.
But the user
Yeah. Clear.
is
Global
global
admin.
admin, right?
Yep. Okay. So did you set a password for this guy and do you remember it? I don't remember seeing that.
No, I did not set a password for this guy.
Okay, I think it was auto password. Then click on reset account, reset password, bro. For this user, yeah.
Here only, right?
Yeah, yeah. Click on self-served, enabled, yeah. Click on selected or all, whatever.
What is this? It is not doing anything.
No. So go to the user's page, and then there's a password. Because this is on all users, that's right. Yeah, click on user. Yeah, here you can do on top right. Yeah. Yeah, copy that. Yeah, bro, log in with this guy now. Close everything and log in.
I'll close this also.
Yeah, sure.
Again, incognito
Yep.
mode. What is the website which we need to use?
Same. Portal.hr. Okay, bro, just use the same password which they've given.
The same password, is it?
Yeah, and add another character in it. That's all. Okay, while this is loading, just open a new tab. Yeah.
Okay.
And go to admin dot, I think it's microsoft.com, right? Admin.microsoft.com, yeah.
Security.microsoft.com.
No, I mean,
Anything.
I want to
I
set
think
the billing address so that, we don't have to do the activation twice. Yeah, this is logging in using the admin. Yeah. Additum lab. Click on home. Yeah, who's that user? The
it's
AU
admin
guy.
user.
Okay, great.
It's
Go to
admin
billing.
user.
Go to billing and billing address and set your address right now. So Billing accounts. Okay, click on that billing account. Is that how it is done? Just a second.
This one is it?
Yeah, billing account, correct. One sec. Yep, edit. Yeah, over here, fill all your details so that it doesn't prompt you the next time. Yeah, the address line. Yeah, go to city. Yeah, put California or something. No, city, I guess.
Anything is fine. This state is California.
Yeah, city, mentioned. Oh, okay, you mentioned. Yeah, one zip code, maybe. What is it? 90231. Yeah. And your mail
Email
address.
address? What email
Yeah,
address should I get?
you can mention your main, email address just for tracking purpose. Your race or your, Hafsul CS07 at Outlook, whatever that was.
Yeah, put race is the email
Yes.
address.
Now open a new tab again. Go to
Name, it is saying something is
oh
wrong.
yeah.
Question.
It should just be a name, bro. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, save it and open a new tab and type 0365 E5 license. Oh shit.
What is the city?
City
I'll
is
put some.
California city. One sec.
Hey bro, mention city as Orlando and state as Florida.
Yeah, Orlando and just save it, bro. Doesn't matter, I
Yeah.
guess. That's it.
Okay.
You can close it, open a new tab and go to E5 license.
Which one? This one, no?
Yeah, new tab. 0365 E5 license.
E5 license, right?
Yeah, E5. Yeah.
This one?
Second link. Yeah, that's the one, bro. Yep. Now free trial. Click. Yep. Click on stay and free trial. And just follow the process, bro. That's all. And it's better to use call option than text.
Yeah. Sign in?
Yeah, sign in. Go ahead. Just do whatever is. Call.
Station system. Your code is 9325661. Once again, your code is 9.
Yeah, bro. Start your free trial. Yeah.
25661. Goodbye.
Okay, hold on.
I
Yeah.
guess this is the error.
Okay, click on continue. That's okay. I mean, to bypass this step, that's why I had gone there. Anyways, okay, click on editor. Looks like it hasn't taken your details. It didn't save your details. So add it again, bro.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, change your
Why
first
did
name
it?
to. Yeah, that's enough, bro. I mean, it's okay.
Any zip?
Yeah, 90231 or something. Yeah. And your mail address.
For some reason, it didn't save.
Hey, no, bro, it is not validating your zip code. I just pasted in the chat. Okay, just mirror the same. Gives street 17 Orange County, then city as Orlando, and state as Florida, and give the zip it will take.
Yeah, mention the
Where
correct
in the
zip.
chat you have sent, is it?
Just put 32789. Yeah, that should be enough. Oh, city. Wow. Yeah. You use this address and then maybe. Okay, save. I think close it, bro. There's a top right arrow button to close it. So. Peace. Top right. Yep. Let's see if it reflects. One sec. Yeah, done. Now again go to 0365, the second tab, and click on free trial. Yep.
I think it will take some time, right?
That's it. You can go to admin.microsoft.com on a new tab and go to, or click on the top left next to the admin. There's those 4 squares. Top left. Yeah.
But try now. I clicked on try now.
Yeah, that's okay, bro. It's gonna take some time. So you can go to admin.microsoft.com and go to your license section. You'll find your license there.
Okay, 1 minute. I think it is worked now. Okay, there it is. Now I have to close this or let it be open.
Anything, bro. Doesn't matter. That's it, I guess. Then you go to your user and I think assign the license. Maybe Niranjan might be able to help you.
Yeah, that's it, bro. So assign the license, E5 license, okay, to the user. Then you will be able to see that option in the security.microsoft.com. Yeah. Active
Okay,
users. Go to portal.azure.com.
Okay.
Then Active Directory. Maybe later. Yeah, sure. Active Directory.
Yeah.
Okay. Licenses. All products. Yeah, now click on Office 365. and click on assign. Yeah, add it to the user. Add users or group. Add to your administrator. Admin user. Yeah, review plus assign.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all. Now open security.microsoft.com. You will be able to see the same options as we see.
Security dot
Microsoft.com.
Oh, this Azure can't help, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
There's no power in my house, so morning is just
Okay.
fiddling with mobile now. I think it should work.
So
Yeah.
okay, so the difference you can see, right, in the email and collaboration, you see the threat attacker, campaigns, attack simulation. So that you will get after
On the
assigning
left,
the
bottom
E5,
left.
yeah, bottom left,
Yeah.
under email and collaboration. Yeah, those three,
Okay.
threat attacker and all. So once you assign the E5 license, you get those.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's it, right? Are we supposed to do anything
No,
else?
that's all, bro. That's all.
Yeah, that's all, bro. I think
In last class, I guess.
next we have to start with the some lab or something. I don't know, bro. Till here it is done.
Okay, cool.
Oh, this is very tedious
So-
process, man. We have to.
No,
then
bro. I was
do
just
you
talking
think
with the
that
other.
see this is only
When we
once they
click
have
on
done.
that,
Yeah.
Afzal, in entire
Huh.
lifetime of a company, only once this is done.
Yeah.
After that, no one
Yeah.
will know. No one know. Actually, no one needs it because administrator has taken the pain. No.
Right. The
So
first time it is always tedious.
But only for the first time in an entire company you will do this job. See, I could have
Mhm.
done a different way. I could have created a different license. I could have you're maximum 25 people. I already have 25 licenses. I could have created one user for each of you using a script. Then I could have given you. You know,
Right.
you will feel
Right.
that it is so easy to create accounts. It is so easy to onboard people. That's what you will think.
Right. If we do it
What
through
did
the
I do
script,
it?
it will be. Yeah.
Yeah.
We did it manually. Yeah.
I want you to understand, no, that what are the things that typically an administrator does before even it comes to you as a security engineer.
Right.
If you
Understood,
don't know
sir.
that, what you will think is that, okay, you go to the Office 365, you will see the options. And that's how every security engineer thinks. I know many people who are working in Azure security for 2 years now.
Mhm.
And they don't know how the licenses got activated. They don't know what was the challenge behind it. And everyone knows that if you go to security.microsoft.com, they will get that security option and you click on that. That's it. Everyone knows that only. But what is how do you get that option? What happens tomorrow you don't get that option? See, it's a SaaS product.
Right.
In SaaS products with the licenses, the options gets enabled and the license gets deactivated. The options gets disabled automatically. You cannot wonder, no, oh, this is administrator's job.
Right.
As a security engineer, you need to know the background also. That's why I want you to understand that security is a myth security is a myth for administrator. For remaining everyone, security is super good.
Right.
Everyone thinks
So
that okay, my office is secure, my accounts are secure. We are using best of the best security, but admin account doesn't have the security.
Okay. So what was happening in my case was I was not able to see the switch directory, sir. Initially, this was not showing me. It was only showing
because
default
it was
for
only
me for
default
some reason.
directory. No, not some
Right.
reason. The
No.
reason is
Even
Azure Active Directory is
even
not
when
activated there.
Right.
Now, whoever has guided you, now he could have told you that you have two usernames, passwords, one regular email ID, one this. Correct?
Right. Correct.
Yeah. The regular email ID that you are using now, that is you have 3 or 4 companies and you are managing 3 or 4 active directories. So you can assume that each active directory is typically a company. That you can assume and go. So that will be easy. Okay, now good.
Okay,
now observe my screen. And
stop
I'm assuming that, yeah, no worries. I'm assuming that you guys have your E5 or E3 license activated as per your requirement. Now tell me still if you have any challenges. Marimuthu, tell me what is the challenge that you're facing right now?
Now I'm not facing any challenges, sir. Just I have updated the screen, but only one option I'm not receiving the option with respect to your screenshot. Is I'm not getting the
endpoints.
Yeah, threat analysis endpoint.
Okay, let's do solver.
I
now
have
tell me.
I have
Yeah, continue please.
I have logged in, logged out. Still it is same.
Okay, no worries. Okay, just observe my screen and tell me if you can see the same options on your screen or not. Very simple. Okay.
Okay.
I'm logging in like everyone is doing. Like everyone is doing, I have also logged in. Just observe me, then later you can do it. Are we on the same page?
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Do you see same licenses that you have activated and I have activated? Leave about this. Cloud apps, you leave it. But Office 365 E5 and Enterprise Mobility. These two are there.
One moment.
Enterprise Mobility and then Office 365. Is there, are there?
Yes, it is the endpoint mobility E3, E5 and P2 also I have.
Excellent, excellent. And is the license assigned to the administrator? You see assigned one section there.
Yes, it is assigned.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Can I assume that everyone has E5 or E3 and enterprise mobility plus security E5? Do we have that activated by everyone? Any questions? Let's pause here. Zalman, how about you?
Yeah, Nishant, it is already this thing. I mean, the license are activated. I've assigned it to the admin also.
Excellent.
But on the security page as well.
Wait. Yeah. One by one, step by step. Yeah. Okay. Now I want no, I don't want anyone to raise your hand, so I'm lowering your hands at this moment because it will be important for me to analyze. Okay, good. Excellent. Now go to, you see, admin. I'm logging in as admin and my account. Don't mind, doesn't matter. And then go back to the security. Now in this security, you will see something like this. Home, incidents, hunting, actions and submissions, threat analytics, secure, learning hub, trials. You don't see endpoint like me. Correct?
Yes, but in my screen, the threat analytics also it's not there.
Threat analytics is also not there.
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me, for your user, did you activate E5 or E3?
E5 I have activated.
For your user, you have activated E5.
Yes.
What happened to E3? E3 is assigned or is it assigned as 0?
No, E3 is 0 only.
Okay, good. E3 is 0, E5 you have assigned. And did you assign enterprise mobility plus security analytics E5 also?
Yes.
Okay. And still you are unable to see threat analytics.
Yes, I have logged in, logged off 2-3 times last 1 hour, but still is the same condition.
No worries. Now I will ask other people. Other participants, were you able to see threat analytics section here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, Nishant. For me, it's not.
Why for some people it is showing, why for some people it is not showing? Everyone followed the same procedure, right?
Yes.
Yes.
When everyone has followed same procedure, why is it not showing? Ideally, it takes time to reflect on the screen. Immediately, it doesn't happen. So no worries at this moment. Okay.
Okay.
Now from the screenshot that I have sent you in the morning and now, were you able to see any differences? You see, there is nothing like endpoint here. Correct? Do you see endpoint?
No.
No, right? Now what I will do, I'll log into one of my different accounts. I'll open a different account. Just observe. See, I want you to understand the challenges that typically administrators face. And then what option makes you to work? Which option will work? Which option will not work? Just observe now. I'm logging into one of my other accounts that I have. I have two accounts. One account to show you step by step, the other account with fully pre-configured. Just observe the difference. See, this is the Contoso Active Directory and this is Reva 9th July Active Directory. In Contoso, go to security. There is something called endpoint. There is something called endpoint. Did you observe? You see endpoints.
Yeah.
Okay, but observe. In this case, do you see endpoints now?
No.
Okay, why do you think? Are we missing a license?
Intune license.
Microsoft Intune license. But typically Intune license comes with what? Like if you have to activate an Intune, how do we activate?
EMS plus EMS plus it comes with that. The first one, enterprise mobility plus security.
But we have already done that, no? We have already activated, no? See, we have a trial license activated, no? And assigned to the user also. See, admin, I have activated. So that means I should see it. I should see here.
Should we set the policy first or?
Should they set the policy first? So where do I set the policy? Okay, you're correct partially. Let's go and see where can I set the policy. Tell me guys, how do you set the policy?
Again, we go to the thread policies.
Excellent. Just observe. Okay, please observe what I'm doing. Okay. This is my Active Directory. Just to avoid your confusion, I will remove the screen. And then now I'll show you step by step. Just observe me. Okay, observe me. Where is the threat policies? Do you see any threat policies section here? Under the settings. You see Security Center, Defender 365, email and collaboration. Yeah, see email and collaboration. Go to email and collaboration. You see only few options, right? Now what I'll do, I'll show you another account. Just observe the difference. Okay. Same settings I'll go.
Sir, one clarification here.
Sure.
Does the endpoint security or the device security comes under Office 365?
As of now, it is changing. Previously, it was not under Office 365. Now, Microsoft is making Office 365 as a suite with all options in it. With have endpoint protection, email protection, mobile device management, and EDR. All options combined into one platform. Now you don't see endpoints, right? Here, see, I have endpoints. In one of my account, I don't have endpoints. I want you to observe the licenses and all. I want you to understand which license makes sense for you. So go to settings. Email and collaboration. Or if you go to policy and rules. Threat policies. Just observe, I'm logged in as admin. Scroll down. Reset security policies. Do you see? Everyone, can you all reach this page? Everyone, can you all reach this page? How will you reach to this page? How will you reach to this page? You know, log documentation I have given you. See, first of all, when you reach this page, if these are active, then that's okay. If it is not active, make it active. OK. If it is not active, then make it active. Yeah. Now let us go step by step. I want everyone to reach this stage. How will you reach this stage? If you follow the lab guide that I have shared you last class. See, if you reach till here, step number 8, we are on the same. Step number 8, preset security policies. Reach till the step 8, I have shared the lab guide. Reach till step 8. In case if you want step-by-step instructions, or you come to this stage.
Yeah, done.
Okay, I'll give 2 minutes for other participants to come back to the same point.
Nishant, I reached till this page, but I have only two options, built-in protection and standard protection. Strict protection option, I am not seeing it.
Okay, this is Muthu, right?
Yes, Marim.
Okay, you are unable to see all the options that everyone sees. Okay, raise your hands. Raise your hands if you don't see the same screen, please. So I am aware of it. So I will see what exactly both of you, like all of you are having.
I think if you scroll down, you'll be able to see it. I do have this.
Yes. You are correct. When we are scrolling down, we are able to see it.
Why do you think? Because the screen resolution is smaller.
Yeah, because my screen was smaller. It's shrinked it to see all these pages.
Okay. Okay. Did you all reach this stage? Zalman, what is the status? Did you scroll down and check?
Yeah, Nishant, for me, built-in protection is not there.
So did you scroll down and see?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Built-in protection is not there. I think there is something missing. Devinder Singh, how about yours?
Same. I'm also not able to see built-in protection, and
Okay,
I have
let's ask
activated
one
E3.
question. Okay. Now, even Zalman, did you activate E3?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Now, those who cannot see, if you activate E5, you will see the built-in protection. Now, you're understanding, right? What is the difference between each of them? I want you to understand. That's why E5 or E3. Now you know that, okay, boss, in my E3 license, this is missing. Tomorrow, if you feel something is missing, will you be able to activate on your own?
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys understanding, right? See, that's why I asked you either E5, E3 doesn't matter for me because there is a little difference because it's an advanced version. Now, this is why I want you to understand that tomorrow you don't see an option here. Tomorrow suddenly endpoint disappears. Tomorrow suddenly endpoint disappears from the screen. How do you know why it has disappeared? How do you know why it is disappeared? Someone, administrator, should tell you. But here, you as a security guy also considered as an administrator. You're getting me? You as a security guy is considered as administrator. So you should know this. Okay, this is one thing. Good. Now you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's do one more. Now, click on this standard protection. Now we'll go step by step and then you will see how to activate the policies and all. Then we'll come to the onboarding process. Okay, are you with me? So now you have a standard protection and strict protection. Strict protection is a little more advanced guy and standard protection is a normal account. So if you see here, manage protection settings. Click on manage protection settings for standard. For standard, just observe. For standard protection, click on manage protection settings. Now it's asking you that see the command you try to run isn't currently allowed in your organization. To run this command, you first need to run the command enable organization customization. Last week also you got this error, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How did we solve it?
We have to run this command in the PowerShell.
Yeah, but that running that command in the PowerShell, will it directly work?
You have to
No.
install a module.
Now, actually what happens is there are multiple ways of activating it. So there is an exchange admin. Okay, there is an exchange admin. When you click on exchange message trace, you click on exchange admin center. You see there's a PowerShell here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just click on the PowerShell. I'll show 1 second. So this is your exchange center. So all your email security is configured here. All the mailboxes that is configured. See mailboxes. That is configured here. Okay. All the groups in Office 365. All the distribution list. Dynamically generating distributed lists. Mail that has enabled with certain security configurations. Your email users. Message sent from primary domain in the last day. Rules. These are your message tracing rules. Email tracing rules. In case if you want to have a DLP based rules for exchange, that means you remember Microsoft Intune, we were telling, someone is telling. Now, if you want your Microsoft Intune to be integrated with your Microsoft 365, then Intune can help you to protect. For example, if there is a phishing email that is received and it has a malware, then Intune and Exchange will work together to enable. The only problem is you don't get all these options in one go. You don't get all these options in one go. You need different licenses to do different user management. You're getting me, right? Different licenses are required for you to do all this job. Okay, then different roles, migration, mobile. I want you to, I'll give you 10 minutes time. I want you to click on this button called as Exchange Message Trace. I want you to click on this button called as Exchange Message Trace, and you will see a couple of options. I want you to explore these options for a knowledge purpose. Just for the knowledge purpose, I want you to explore these options.
Nishant, I have a question. So,
yeah.
Yep. Okay. So in this exchange admin page, right? Can is this used to write rules to detect certain emails?
Yes.
Can we
Here
filter?
for typically mail flow will be written. Apart from this, there are other areas where we can go ahead and write rules also. Email security that comes here. You can run a threat tracker. You can actually do an attack simulation training. You can write policies and rules here. Threat policies, alert policies, advanced alerts, and activity alerts. Here you will write the rules. This is exchange administration, like mail flow management, user box management, size of the user box management, kind of
So here
administration
you don't do
activities.
anything regarding email
Security. No. This is more sort of a management section.
All right.
Nishant, this Exchange admin center page shows that there's an error in API operations, probably something with the browser.
Which section?
The Exchange admin center when it
Click on
switches
it.
to the new browser, new window.
It is giving you an error.
Yeah.
You're on C5, E3, E5 license, no?
Yeah, correct.
So you should not get just maybe browser. Just reload the page.
I tried a couple of times. I tried it with the new window also. Still same error.
Okay. You want to share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Oh, this is the error.
No. Maybe the just reload the page. It should work. There's nothing wrong. It is just a API operation did not happen properly. Just click on it again and reopen it. No, unexpected occurred in API operations. It is the same session if you open 100 times also. I think API. Maybe you want to log out and log in. Just want to see.
On all these pages?
Bro, can you try
Still
another
you're not
browser?
getting no.
Sorry.
Sir, can you see it in a different browser, Chandan? Okay, guys, just need your attention. Let's go. So once it is logged in, just see. Okay, if it is not working, that's fine. Let's focus on something else. Security part. I want you to explore this. Then we'll fix it. I will share my screen, and then we'll continue. Okay. You can see my screen now. Okay, just I'll close unwanted things, so I'm on the same side. Now, can I assume that everyone were able to see preset security policies as standard and strict? Everyone can see standard and strict, no?
Yeah.
Is that clear? Okay, let's do this. First, what I will do, when you click on manage protection, now, how do you enable this? Now let's ask. Last class, there was one person who has done this activity with me. Who was that? To activate this?
It was me, Nishant.
Muthu. Now, what was the status after doing that activity? Did you see that if you come here and were you enabled to enable the standard protection?
Yes, Nishant. Actually, I'll just give you the background of it. After enabling running these command, then I was not assigned with the E3 license. Sorry, the E5 license. Then I activated it, and I'm able to do that successfully.
Okay. Now, where do you think the error was? Is it with the E5 license? Is it with the activation?
I won't say with E5 license because I had two accounts. One, I'm still having the same error. The previous one which we tried doesn't have any error.
Okay, good. Because we tried it on two different accounts just to validate our understanding. Correct?
Yes.
Now, let us go ahead and do the similar simulation for one more participants. Okay, I want everyone to get the same error. Okay, I want every one of you to receive the same error. Okay, I want everyone to see their errors like this. I want to just confirm.
Yep.
And then I'll take a volunteer who is going to do the step-by-step instructions for me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just 2 minutes. Now, I need a volunteer who is comfortable in PowerShell and all to make me certain volunteer activities.
Yeah, I'll do it, Nishant.
Joel, you will do it, huh?
Yep.
Okay, good. Now, there is a link that I have shared in the last class. If you have remembered it, if not, I'll share it again from the last class.
Okay.
Just, okay. Yeah. You have that email, no? Sorry, you have that link also, no, Muthu? Sri Krishna, sorry.
Yes, Nishant, do you want me to again share
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, share that URL here in the chat box. Why my chat is not showing? Day one. Oh, I should go to day one, no? I'm looking in the wrong console. Yeah, sent it once again. Okay, can I request all of you to open that guide? Don't do it, just read. I want every one of you to open that guide. Don't do it, just read. Okay, you can also see on my screen. Let me also do it on my screen so you understand. See, typically what happens is by default, Office 365 doesn't allow you to do organization customization. It by default doesn't allow you to do any customizations. Is that clear?
Yep.
Yeah, Nish.
Now, that's why what we need to do, we need to go ahead and enable the permissions. We have to go ahead and enable the permissions. So how do you enable the permissions is, first we need to connect to our exchange. How will you connect to your exchange? First, run your Windows PowerShell as administrator. Run your Windows PowerShell as administrator. So what I'll do, I'll search for PowerShell. Just observe. This is my PowerShell. Right click, run as administrator. And now at this moment on my laptop, I don't have admin credentials. On my laptop, I don't have admin credentials. Now I need a volunteer who will do that job. But let me explain. Once you click on PowerShell, then you will run a couple of these commands. You know what these commands will do? These commands will try to install Exchange modules. After installing the Exchange modules, it will ask you, hey, do you want to connect to Office 365? And do you want to enable this configuration? Do you want to enable this configuration? Are you getting me? Now, to enable this configuration, we need to give which account? We need to give this account. Don't get confused with multiple accounts. This admin account, whenever it will throw you a pop-up, please enter the admin credentials. You all remember your admin credentials, no? See, admin@Reva. Like that, you have to give admin credentials. Admin@ whatever the principal name, and then the password is. Is it clear? After that, this setting will be enabled for you. This setting will be enabled. Any questions? This is the real enterprise security. This is the real enterprise security with Office integration. What you are doing, because this is where this kind of challenges is what you would face when you go back to the industry. No, Joel, you're going to be the volunteer, and I need you to.
No,
share
actually,
the screen.
Nishant, I don't have admin, credentials.
Okay, no worries. We want someone who has an
Nishant,
admin.
I have admin rights.
Okay, good. Marimutu, maybe you can share.
Nishant, one question. Hello.
Yeah, Muthu.
Why we have to do this in on-prem PowerShell? Is there any option to do that in through the web browser or command shell or something like that?
Actually, what happens is web browser is there. That's why you remember the Exchange Center I showed you.
Yeah, right.
Exchange has its own PowerShell.
Okay.
I don't know, for some reason this Exchange PowerShell is not coming up. It's ideally it should come up. So the PowerShell here, no, it comes up. Once the PowerShell comes up, you can actually do the same settings there.
Okay.
At this moment, the PowerShell, I'm not sure why this is coming up. I tried this couple of months before and it worked.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is the reason.
Okay.
Okay, now for example, in case of Marimutu, he is opening the PowerShell with admin privileges, correct, Marimutu?
Yes,
you can see his screen. Yeah, it's not showing the command prompt. We have to wait. Just enter. Just do double enter. Let's see. It's taking time. Yeah, I think it's taking time. Yeah, good. Now he is on the PowerShell. Now just observe. Please, guys, observe. There is something called as observation and there is something called doing. Don't do it. Observe it. When you observe, you will know what to do. Then you have instructions. Yeah, go back to the documentation and copy those and run it. You can copy all of them and run also. That's absolutely fine. It will run back to back. Enter. Now
Everything in Notepad
and then do it. Anyway, that's fine.
No, it will do automatically. This will do.
Now it will do automatically. Don't think why you get confused, huh? No, that is later. You could have done it Notepad saving before, not now.
Okay.
You have already pasted, so that's okay. Yeah, you'll get confused now. What to do? See that close that run button. Yeah. See when you show your screen, no other people should not get confused. When you do 4 things, they will get confused. Yeah, now click. See, It will connect now to online. Click connect exchange online. Now tell me when you connect, to which account you will connect. Enter. Yeah, wait. Now tell me, Muthu, which connect you will connect, Marimuthu?
To the admin user.
Admin user. What is that? Admin user. See, many people, you see in this case, Marimuthu, you see marimuthu.cs08. People will click the default account. People will click the default account. No, you should not click the default account. You have to click on admin @ whatever the principal name is. Yeah, select that, Muthu. User account and this. This is where the people are doing mistake. They don't know which account they are working. There are 3-4 accounts and they do like cross account. If you don't know which account you work, what is the point in learning Azure? Yeah. Good. Now what you do, you enter the password for this. Click on sign in. Let's give a minute time to do this job.
It's completed.
Okay, good. Now you go to the third step. In the same document, just don't copy the full command. Don't copy the full command. Just copy that command only. Just copy that command only, because that has an output also. No, if you no, that is not the full command here. After the greater than symbol, whatever is starting is the command get organization config. No, whatever after the greater than symbol. Okay, teach everyone that after the greater than symbol, whatever you do is the copy command. Guys, when you copy paste, just blindly don't copy paste. That also has an output. Okay, scroll down. And then you copy paste. No, yes, do that. This is again one more challenge. Sometimes you after copying, it will not paste here.
Maybe
Yeah. Yeah, copy it again once again. Guys, please observe. Huh? This time, if someone is not observing, no, I'll not support them. I'll say, boss, you do it on your own. Yeah, now
I'm giving it.
Yeah. Because when I'm teaching, you guys are doing, which is not the right way. Okay, good. It's true. Now run the fourth command. Because when I'm being very, very slow, and if you cannot follow this speed, then it is difficult. Huh? So we are doing the customization. Now, I'll tell you a few more things once this is done. I don't want you to get confused. That's why. I'll tell you why this is the way you need to do it. Typically, we don't have an Active Directory, full-fledged Active Directory configuration here for customization.
Complete.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, now go to the another command, fifth command, and verify. Command, just copy the command, not the entire ones.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now what you do, Manimuthu, just close this PowerShell. Close the PowerShell. Excellent. Yeah. Close this browser also. We don't need. Excellent. Click OK. Now reload the entire page. Yeah, click on standard protection. Yeah, manage protection settings. Wait. It will actually show you certain details here and then we will go.
Marimuta, I would suggest you cancel it, go again to thread policy, then come. Yeah, got it.
See, now you see, guys, are you able to observe? If you all got errors, did Marimutu fix it? Did you observe how he has fixed it? Did you guys now know how he has fixed it? Now, let us ask a simple thing. How many don't have admin privileges on their computers? Or they don't even have PowerShell. For example, in case of Sweta, she doesn't have a PowerShell. So how she is going to solve?
Yeah, same in my case. I'm using Mac.
You're using Mac. So now these are all going to get challenges, right? How to solve those challenges, I will explain you. You know, security engineering is this real engineering where you try to solve problems which are not predefined, which are customized. You will not see this kind of environment everywhere. Trust me, when you as an admin and all your users are Mac users, trust me, how will you do it? How will you make things work? See, this is where engineering comes into the picture. Using a solution is different. Building a solution is different. Are you understanding me? Building a solution is different from using a solution. Clear? Predefined solution, anyone will use, not only you and me. Anyone will use predefined solution, but this is how customization is done. You need to look at 10 different parameters, understand 10 different licenses, bring all of them together and make it as a security flow. Yeah. Are you guys clear with me?
Yes.
Any questions? Yeah. Now let's go ahead and fix that.
Nishant, in the document which we have seen, that document to use the PowerShell scripts, the last screenshot is incorrect, where it says false. It should be true only. When we run the last command.
When we run the last command, it should be false.
Even I have also received false only.
But I got true. I'm still able to open this options where I can apply standard protection.
You are able to do this, apply exchange online protection. OK, very simple. Yeah. Now, Marimutu, you can stop. Those who have doubt, no, just share the screen. I want to see.
Nishant, just few questions on people who are on Mac or some other operating system who doesn't have PowerShell. Let me know, is my approach correct or not? We can spin a VM in the portal and execute the same command. Will it work out?
Absolutely, you can do that. And one more smart way. We already learned in our previous class how to use Azure Shell. You know Azure Shell? You all remember Azure Shell? There is something called Azure Command Shell, no? Where you have in one of the classes you were able to run all commands. Why can't we use that? It is the same PowerShell, no?
Nishant, but we tried that. There was a problem in that, right? You remember?
What is the problem?
When in Azure PowerShell, when we executed enable organization customization, it says command could not found. That's where we took an alternative route to come in here. So that
actually what happens is that PowerShell module is not loaded there.
Yeah, exactly.
These are another way. You can do this way also. Like you can spin up a VM and then do it. I'm not. Are you guys comfortable in spinning up a VM and doing every stuff? I think you should be because you have done it, no, before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can install PowerShell on Mac also, right?
You can have, yeah, you can install PowerShell on Mac, you can install PowerShell on Ubuntu and then do it. All of these methods are fine.
Maybe we can try Cloud Shell first because it's
Yeah,
easier.
try the Cloud Shell. If it is easy, do it. If it is facing, if it is giving an issue, then we need to load the Power Exchange module in that. By default, it doesn't come with Excel. Sorry, online version may not come with Exchange, but okay. Let's do step-by-step solving. Huh? Let me take 1 minute, pause, and then I'll address what is time now. Okay, it's around 1:30. Okay, 1:20, right? I'll give you 10 minutes to explore things, whatever works for you. 1:30 to 2:30, you take a break. In the break, if you get time, activate it. In the break, if you get time, activate it. However, in the break, if you don't get a time, no problem. You come back and then we will fix it together. Now you have seen how Marimutu has done it. If that flexibility is there with you, follow that method. In 2 minutes, it is done. In case if that flexibility is not there, like, okay, boss, I'm a Macintosh user, I'm a Ubuntu user, I don't have flexibility in doing it, then I will come and address it differently for those people. Okay. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Just give me yes, no. Yeah.
Sure.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can lower your hands. Those who have this challenge, before, for example, I'm using Mac or Ubuntu, they can raise your hands, or you don't have permissions. You can raise your hands right now, so I know how many people are going to come back and how much time it's going to take. Raise it again, once again. So I know, okay, this means that we will come up with different solutions for making your life easy. In any worst case, no, don't worry. Just give me the credentials. In 2 minutes, I'll activate it and give it to you. In any worst case, if you don't want to do it on your own, you need help, someone to do. We don't need it. Just share it with someone else. He knows the credentials. He will run the same commands and he will activate it in 1 minute. Anyone can do that, no? Actually, it's only the credentials I need, no? For activation. Okay, please. Continue, guys. I'll see you at 2:30. Yeah, I'll see you at 2:30 after the break, and then we'll continue.
Okay.
Yeah.